If that doesn't work, try something else. And if that doesn't work, try something else. And if that doesn't work, try something else. Hey guys, Jim Edwards here, and welcome to another edition of Taking the Trash Can Up to the End of the Road with Jim. Because it's Monday, and then we'll let the chickens out. Okay, here's the deal. Most people give up too soon. That's the number one thing that I see with all the different areas that I pay attention to in life. When it comes to fitness, people give up too soon. When it comes to making money online, people give up too soon. When it comes to trying to figure out how to do something new, people just give up too soon. I'll give you an example. So, if you may or may not know, I've recently published a book. We've actually sold over 11,000 copies of that book in the last 29 days, I believe, if my count is correct. So here's the thing. Once you go past the initial launch to the people who know you, like you, trust you, and have been waiting, then you got to get into the cycle of it's time to sell. So I've been trying to figure out what kind of videos to make to sell the book, a pattern, something I can do that will really work. Not kind of work, but work well. So I've been trying all these different types of videos, and I've been doing them kind of, I don't know, not like airing my laundry in public, but just I've been doing them very publicly. I'll make a video, I'll put it in the copywriting group, which, by the way, if you're not a member of the copywriting group, you should be. And I'm getting feedback from people. And some of the feedback's been pretty brutal, but I want brutal. I don't want people to just tell me, oh, this is great, Jim. We love it. We love you. We love your book, which is great. However, that doesn't help. So God bless the people that like it, and God bless the people that have the cojones to say, you know what, Jim? I think it sucks. And here's why it sucks. And the great thing is that I've been getting this tremendous feedback, and each time I make a video, I try something else, try something else, try something else. And yesterday, on like the 5th try, I think I might have hit on a formula that's going to work really well, where basically I'm going to tell a little story as it relates to something in the book, and then I'm going to just give a little info from the book, and then say, which is absolutely true, and I want you to get this secret, and I want you to have it, and I want you to have it so much that I'll just give you the book, which is true. And so I think this is going to be a really cool formula to use to basically make unlimited numbers of videos that I can use in my content marketing, that we can promote, that we can do all kinds of cool stuff with. And the other neat thing is that as I've been learning, hopefully you guys have been learning too, the people in the group, because you're seeing me do it and you're getting the feedback. And I hope to God that you're paying attention to the feedback that you're seeing other people doing, so you can, or saying, and what you see me doing, so that you can apply it to your own business. So I think back to times in my life when I might have given up on stuff and, oh, I tried that and it didn't work. Well, did you really try? Well, I tried a bunch of things. Well, how many things did you try? Well, I tried 2. Well, 2 is just getting warmed up, Chuckles. So it's the thing of, if you try something that doesn't work, try something else. If that doesn't work, try something else, try something else, try something else. Other people have sold books. Other people have sold coaching. Other people have sold software. Other people have done what you've wanted to do. Find the people who are doing it, see what they're doing. You try it, figure out your own way of doing it that works for you. And if that doesn't work, try something else. Just keep trying. Because when you stop trying, that's when you suck. And you should just give up. And you know what I'm going to tell you next? If you give up, the only choice left is to go put on a hairnet and make your living saying, would you like fries with that? And I know you wouldn't be standing here listening to me, right, chickens? See, I'm preaching the choir. You wouldn't be standing here listening to me if that was what you wanted to do with your life. So if it doesn't work, try something else. If it doesn't work, try something else. If you have not gotten the results with sales copy and with sales and with getting clicks and having your ads work, if you're not getting the results that you want with that, And you haven't gotten a copy of my book yet? Why don't you try picking up a copy of my book at copywritingsecrets.com. I'll send it to you. I'll pay for it. All I need you to do is just pay a small shipping. So head on over to copywritingsecrets.com, pick up your copy. And I'm Jim Edwards. That's Letting the Chickens Out with Jim. You got a double bagger today, guys. You got to take the trash out with Jim, and you got to let the chickens out with Jim. If that doesn't set you up for a winter Monday, I don't know what does. Everybody have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye, everybody.